Hi friends, let's see the unboxing of Redmi Earbuds S, which is priced at rupees 1799. It is available in black color variant on me.com. This is the first true wireless earbuds that the company has launched in the Indian market ever since the arrival in the country. So let's take a quick look at some of the key features of the Redmi Earbuds S. Redmi Earbuds S comes with a support for Bluetooth 5 connectivity, and it contains 7.2 mm drivers, and its lightest earbuds weight around 4.1 gram. Earbuds comes with the IPX4 rated for water resistant support, and which means that buds can survive the rain and sweat during your daily workouts. Earbuds from Redmi are expected to last up to 12 hours in the single charge. So it comes with a manual and case, and inside the case we have got the earbuds. So before charging, just remove the red color wrapper so it will be charged. So here you can see the charge pin, and I just removed it for on the two earbuds, both the places. So now we can do the charging. And how to switch on the earbuds, just on the top surface just press for a second, and now we can see the LED light is glowing, so which means now this earbuds can be seen in our mobile Bluetooth. So how to switch off is the same surface, just button. The button you just press for 5 seconds and the Bluetooth device will be switched off in the earbuds. So now we can see the red indicator, which means it's switching off. The case has magnet to fit the earbuds properly. So now let's see how to charge the pin. Now you can see the red light on here. Yeah. So when charging is happening, you can see the red light here and the red light in the earbuds as well. Yeah.